What's up, Rowdy guy?
That was awesome. We had RS3, RS6, and the S7.
All making noise under the bridges.
Oh yeah, that was perfect.
Were you recording that?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, Evan was recording and had my sunroof open, so it was a little loud in here.
Awesome. Your intake was so loud behind me. I could hear it replaying. I was on the phone with Cam. I could hear it replaying off of my car audio to his phone back through my speakers in my car. I could hear your intakes moving.
Really?
It was coming out of the speakers in my car. I was like, what in the world's happening? It's so confusing.
Yeah, because I mean, I can hear
It was
some,
under
but
the bridge.
the downpipes usually drown some of that out for me.
Well, I was in front of you, so I didn't hear any of your exhaust.
Yeah, so you just hear the spooling then. That's kind of funny. How does it sound to you right now with me driving with the sunroof open? Is it noisy?
No, not really. I mean, I can hear some road noise, but nothing out of the ordinary.
All right, tell me if it's is it any different now?
Yeah, it's a little bit, it's just, there's no road noise anymore.
Okay.
But it wasn't overwhelming.
Yeah, it's amazing how quiet this car can be with that on with the roof open like that. They must have a lot of noise canceling. I hear you.
Well, I don't have any back seats in my car, which makes it way